Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to create or design HTML tables using Bootstrap. So let's move to our bootstrap.com. Bootstrap. So get bootstrap.com and here docs. And if we look for the table, so here you have an overview like what kind of table you need. And let's copy this code, navigate to our Visual Studio. We have seen in the earlier videos for these things. Just remove them and we'll paste the table code here. Let's align it. And now let's see the output. So this is the output what we are seeing right now. Let me just, yeah. So here if we see first it is started with the table, then table head. We are seeing the table row. This is table heading where this is just specifying with the column names. If you want, we just remove this. Table head is closed here. And then we have started with the table body, which is a table row, which is not needed. Like actually we have removed from top, so we don't want to keep this. So this is the table row, this is table datas, and now let's save and refresh. So you see we have it like this. Now we will see various ways how we can style our table. To color the column of this table, let's give a class here, like class table. So let's have it in a blue, which is primary. And if you save and refresh, so we have seen it's got to blue color. Now if you want to give for the row, then we come to the entire row, give a class which is like a table, will give success. Save it, refresh. So you see it's changed. So this is how you can color. Now let's see how we can have a table striped. So here we have table, and if you give it like a table striped class, if you see it will become like a white and gray. Since we have a color here, it is not changed. If I remove this now, and let's remove for this also. So if you just give table striped, it will become in this way. And if you give table striped columns, it will change the other way. Column, save, refresh. So you see it becomes like this white, gray, white. And if we want to hover on the table, and when I hover it, it should change the colors. Add a class here, table hover. Save, refresh. So when I hover, I get a gray color. Now what if I want to hover and the color should be green? So for this we need to override the CSS of Bootstrap. So we'll move to our style.css and we can write a CSS here. Let me open the HTML. So here we have a table. Here we have a class of table hover. So we have to write dot table hover greater than, and then we are going to hover on these records. So we have t body greater, then again we have a table row, and on this row we want to hover it, and the syntax goes like hyphen hyphen bs hyphen table hyphen hover hyphen bg, and then you can choose the color state. Okay, I just got this. So when I hover it, we are seeing with a green color. Let's make it orange, refresh, and it's become. So this is how we give our custom CSS. Now let's move. So next, if I want to give a border with a different color or something, table hyphen bordered, save it, refresh. So if you see we got a border, but let's make this border even more a bit bolder. So for that we need to give border hyphen, as we have seen the color. Just want to stop this hover. Save, refresh. So you see it's red. Now if you want without border, you can just write like table borderless. So if you refresh, you get no border. So in the getbootstrap.com under tables, you can see lot of options like how you want to design your table. So you can just go through all these options like whatever you wanted. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.